Whether you are a serviceman or a businessman, it's inevitable to prevent large, monotonous, repetitive tasks. They cost you your topmost resources, money, and time. Due to the advent of robotic and cognitive process automation, powered by human-friendly graphical user interface, or in short GUI, those tasks have become a piece of cake. We at Intellicheck have researched and have taken a great leap in creating such powerful and smart systems that make your life easier by taking care of your mundane tasks and boosting your profits and productivity to an impossible levels. Intellicheck's ProcessBot suite comes with DW Maker and ProcessBot 1. DW Maker is a GUI-powered, easy-to-use tool with which you can create robots. It contains a wide span of automation options ranging from the most common ones to advanced cognitive processes like Excel automation, email automation, web automation, document parsing, API automation, database automation, chatbot, and lots more to meet all your requirements. Though very powerful, yet DW Maker has less appetite for hardware resources. It merely requires 4GB RAM and 64-bit processor running at 2 GHz clock speed, and also providing an option to run DW Maker on cheaper cloud machines and multi-threading. Now comes the ProcessBot 1, which is an online tool that allows you to manage and monitor the performance of bots post-publishing them. Let me list some of the features of ProcessBot 1. With its help, you can run, pause, and stop the bots. You can manage the users who are running the bots, like adding or removing users, and who controls what bots. Manage and monitor the hosts on which the bots are deployed. It also provides a real-time analytical data to analyze which bots are increasing productivity and saving money. ProcessBot 1 also calculates real-time ROIs for whole automation to each comprising process. You can easily manage bots from our mobile app. ProcessBot Suite indeed is the most cost-effective enterprise-level RPA platform out there in the market, and our huge customer base is already proving it. By joining with us, you sure claim to be in a good company. If you want to learn more about automation technologies and how to implement them in real life, then don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Until then, see you later.